Hello and welcome to today's lesson. In today's lesson, we will be finding the modulo number in a given equation. When the modulo number is represented by a variable, as in when we have 12 is equal to 2 mod x. Here the modulo number is what we have represented it with a variable. Now the value of the variable is found by going through the following steps. So the first step that we will go through will be first we will rewrite this equation in the form 12 mod x should be equal to 2. Then we will find the difference between the numbers that we have there. So we have 12 minus 2, okay, to give us a difference of 10. Now the next step is to find all the factors of the difference identified. So the difference identified here is 10. So we find the factors of 10. So let me go back. So factors of 10. Now factors of 10 here, we have 1, we have 2, we have 5, and we have 10 itself. Here the factors means numbers that can divide 10 exactly, right, without any remainder. Good. Now the last thing that we are going to do here is to substitute each of the factors identified here into this our equation, okay, the rewritten equation, and then we want to find out which of the numbers here will give us the answer 2 when we replace it with x. So here we are going to do this as when we consider x to be 1 as in the factors. So when we consider x to be 1, then we can have this to be 12 mod. Now in place of x we have 1 is equal to, so what is 12 mod 1? 12 mod 1 here will give us 0. And then we can see that what we are expecting is not a 0. We are expecting 2, okay? And what we are getting here is 0. Therefore, we can see that then it means that x is not equal to 1. So 1 is not the answer. Now, to follow through, we consider when x is equal to 2 as in the factors. This will also give us 12 mod 2. And 12 mod 2 here gives us 0, meaning that we have not achieved the 2. So x is not really equal to 2. We try the next when x is equal to 5 in the factors. We have 12 mod 5, and here 12 mod 5 gives us the answer 2. This is the answer we are looking out for, 2, as we see there. So we can see that then x is really equal to 5. And then we shouldn't stop here because we have another number to also try and see. So when x is equal to 10, then here we have 12 mod 10. And what is 12 mod 10? That is also 2. That is what we are expecting, meaning that x can be 10. So for the equation above, we can see that x is equal to 5 or x is equal to what? 10. Okay, so these are some values of x that will make our equation very true. Let us try other examples. Okay, so here let us try this example. 25 is equal to 4 mod x. Now here we will first rewrite this equation in the form 25 mod x should be equal to 4. Okay, then we will now find the difference between the numbers. So the difference here is going to give us 25 minus 4 will give us a difference of 21. Okay, are you okay? Good. Then we follow by finding the factors of the difference identified. So factors of the difference, which is 21. And what are the factors of 21? We know 1 can divide 21. Okay, 3 can divide 21. We also know 7 can divide 21, and 21 can divide itself. Good. Now, so these are the factors. So let us try substituting these factors into our rewritten equation. Okay, so this is our rewritten equation. So our rewritten equation is this. Okay, so we are going to now do the substitution in that. So when x is equal to 1, that is an element in our factors, then we have this to be 25 mod 1. Okay, now we are expecting a result of 4. Okay, but 21 mod 1, 25 mod 1, sorry, gives us 0, which means that x is not equal to 1. Also, when x is equal to 3, we have 25 mod 3, and 25 mod 3 will give us, okay, 25 mod 3 will give us 1. Okay, then we follow through, so we could see that this is not what we are expecting. So x is not equal to 1. Okay, so here x is not equal to 1, and also here x is not equal to 3. Yes. Now also when we do x is equal to 7, now we are going to have this to be 25 mod 7. And what is 25 mod 7? 25 mod 7 here will give us 4. Yes, that means that really x is equal to 7. And when we follow through, we also have x is equal to 21 finally, and that will give us 25 mod 21, and this will also give us a result of 4, meaning that x can also be what? 21. So therefore we can conclude by saying that x is equal to 7 and x is equal to 21. Thank you. I'll pause this video here. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.